if my microphone, oh, it is working now. Good. I didn't think it was working this morning. So, when I graph this, if I begin at 0 and the period is pi over 4, what is my x scale, maybe I should say?
Wait, the period's pi over 4?
What's the period? Pi over 2. I thought you all said pi over 4. Pi over 2, so each one is pi over 8. Does it work at pi over 8? Yes?
Yeah, same. Just -1. No. Wait, no. Yeah.
Pi over 8? So, yours doesn't work. Is that what you're saying?
No. Where you? Pi over 8.
Isn't that your x scale?
Yeah.
Okay. When x is 0, what is y? -1? Okay, look what I have to have marked. Right? I have to have something on the x scale, something on the y scale marked. And you said it was 0, -1?
Yeah.
What is pi over 8?
Looks like it would be -pi over 8, -4. Yeah.
-4?
Pi.
Pi over 4?
Yes.
3 pi over 8?
Pi over 8 looks like possibly 2.
2? And it better end at -1, hadn't it?
Yes. That's wait.
So this is my graph.
See.
What?
How does my graph look the opposite?
Because you have a -1 instead of -1. So, what 4 trig functions have a period of 2 pi over b?
What, 4?
4.
Sine and secant, well, cosecant, and then cosine and secant. So 4.
You all agree? Sine, cosine, secant, cosecant? Maybe we should say them in an order we can get. Do you all know that? That's that the period is 2 pi over b? What is it for tangent and cotangent?
Pi over b.
Pi over b. You understand the difference there?
I do.
All right. Let's graph another one. Can we?
The period is 2 pi over b for sine, cosine, secant, and cosecant.
Yes. Pi over b.
All right. Here's my equation. What's the amplitude?
Or wait, no, it's just lines.
Oh, wait. There is no amplitude because sine and cosine are the only ones that have amplitude. None of the others have amplitude because they go up forever and down forever. Remember that?
You remember that?
So no amplitude, right? What is the period?
pi.
2 pi. What's the phase shift? And which way? Right, left? Left. Phase shift, high left. Vertical shift to up. Right? The one in the parentheses is opposite what you think it is. Did you catch that? Right. Graph one period of this. And I will tell you, on the test, if I ask for one period and you give me a period plus some, I'm going to count it off. Because part of it is learning to follow directions. Sometimes they want to give me a little extra just in case. I want one full period. Okay? If the period is 2 pi, what is my x scale?
Pi over 2.
Half pi is the same thing. Mm-hmm.
How do you find the x max and x scale again?
X maximum is the period. The x scale is the period divided by 4.
So it'd be divided by 4.
Which is pi over 2. Perfect, you okay?
I'm tired. Sorry. Wake up.
You really might want to pay attention.
Yeah.
Where's the asymptote? Okay, see what everybody's graph looks like.
You got pi over 2?
Pi over 2, that is not what it should look like.
Oh, great, I have the one there.
Okay, an asymptote right here, right? Is there another asymptote?
Yes.
Yes? Where? 3 pi over
3
2.
pi divided by 2.
Okay. You all agree or disagree? Agree, okay. At x equals 0, what is y? Which means what?
My graph is completely different. Looks like a straight line.
No, the line was
I put 0 when you want negative.
Well, the plus 2 is not in the denominator. That has nothing to do with that, does it? Is that what you have, Macy?
You know what I'm saying? Like on the top.
How much?
yeah, mine's
Test tomorrow, right?
Test tomorrow.
That's for review.
You have to be in radian mode.
Hey, does anybody know what the equation is for, like, what's the equation for the thing to find the period and stuff? Like it's a something plus.
Can somebody give me a point?
I didn't get those answers. Can you? Yes.
I got one.
Pi is at 1. So I assume it does this. Is that right? Well, secant is cosine.
Oh, that would explain that.
Is this what you wanted, Hayden?
Yes, thank you.
All right, everybody okay with that? There are 4 graphs on test.
Only 4?
Only 4.
Is it a lot of questions to each graph? What is each graph here?
Identify the amplitude, period, phase shift, vertical shift, and graph 1 period beginning at x equals 0.
What are the letters for the phase shift and the
Phase shift is C over B.
C over B? And then what's vertical?
B. Alright, now the directions say find the exact values, which means a calculator doesn't help, right? You agree? Okay. Find the exact value of this. What quadrant is that going to be in? 2. Because cosine is 1 and 2, and what is sine? No, what quadrants is sine?
Oh,
1 and 4, and tangent is 1 and 4. Cosine, I'm 1 and 2, which means I'm here, doesn't it?
Why did I get pi over 3?
This is -1, and this is 2, right?
Which means that's radical 3.
What is this?
Pi over 3.
pi over 4 is 45.
30.
What is this?
Pi over 3.
Yeah, I said it wrong. Pi over 3.
It's not a 45, 45. It's pi over, or it'd be
Because
radical
it
2.
would be a
It'd be radical 2, not 2.
45.
But my question is, you found the reference angle
When you
to
want
get
to
to
do
pi
pi
over
over
3.
all of it.
Yes.
Okay, so we want to find the what's the reference angle? We want to know the reference angle.
No, I want to know the real angle.
Then why did you?
Because you can't find the real angle without finding the reference angle.
So on the test, if I forget and I just give you pi over 3, are you going to give me half credit or 0?
I'll give you some credit. I don't know how much it'll be. I'll give you some credit.
Wait,
I also will give some credit on whether you drew the right picture.
we have to draw the.
Nope. But if you don't draw one, you don't get any credit. I mean, and you mess up, that's less credit.
If you get right,
Wait,
You get right, you get right.
you lose credit for it.
so we're looking for the angle that goes all the way up to there, and we just.
We always look for the angle that starts on the x-axis, the positive x-axis.
Okay,
That's what we always look for.
that makes more sense.
All right, our cosine of -1. That is on an axis, isn't it? Is it cosine x over r? So I can do this 2 different ways. I can say x is -1, so y is 0, which means I'm here, right?
Yeah, that would just be pi.
That would be pi. Or I can say, here's my cosine graph. I'm -1 right here, which is at pi. You can do it either way. Okay, what is this one?
Pi over,
Pi over 3, or no?
yeah, pi over 3.
So it's positive, so it's yeah, pi over 3.
Pi over 3?
Yeah.
Okay. What about this one? What?
I know what you tried to do.
You're a
on
little
this.
whitey
I know
today.
you get-
Yeah, you are.
Oh my gosh, I forgot. What is,
Negative 11 pi over 6.
No. this
It's 1 radical 3, or negative
the
1.
same thing as that?
Yes.
What quadrant is it in?
4.
Down here,
I just forgot what the reference
which is tangent is opposite over adjacent.
I got that.
So it's 11 pi over 6.
No,
No, it's just carbs.
negative pi over 6.
I thought we were looking for the reference.
The reference angle is pi over 6.
Why would you not go all the way around?
Because sine and tangent, I could go up to pi over 2 or down to pi over 2. I cannot go past that. Isn't that what we said?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, but why would we not just go all the way around?
Because for arc sine and arc tangent, you are not allowed to.
Plus, would it
You
be
can
closer?
go up half a pi and down half a pi, and that's your,
So you have to.
you have to stay in those restrictions.
Yes.
Great idea.
Nice.
Let's hope you do it.
He will.
Good.
Money.
She's gonna hold my ball here.
Who is?
Kidding.
Who's gonna,
I was gonna say you were, but I'm just kidding.
and so you can accuse me of stealing it?
Yeah.
Shh.
Oh, here we go.
Pretty easy. I love these. It's something just square root there.
Alright, so
What?
what we do is sine, so it's up here.
No. It's cosine.
What's that other distance?
What's that?
Is it closer?
What quadrant is this in?
It's 1, cosine is, it's 1/2. I'm betting on 1/2.
You all want to agree or disagree?
Well,
You seem pretty confident.
Okay, I need you to be that same amount, have that same amount of confidence.
I'll do it for you on the smart board.
Isn't it here?
I'd say he's right.
Yes.
No, hey,
So this must be 1, and what is the cosine?
You're right.
Amy, here, can you take my test for me?
No, because I gotta figure out how to do the graphs.
I'll take your test.
We have different test forms because she has like 20 different test forms.
Sine. Cosine.
What's the first thing? Oh, make it like radical 50 over.
I don't want it too hard.
What?
Okay, here we go.
So now we're not using our rectangles, right?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so we
But I still want an exact value.
Okay.
What quadrant am I in?
Three.
2.
2.
So I'm here, and I know that this is negative 3, and this is 10.
That's 9 on the left.
I don't think so.
100 minus 9.
square root of 91.
Oh, it's 91, not 81.
Square root of 91, 91.
Okay, I thought it was 81.
Well, maybe you should be paying attention.
Radical 91.
Yep.
So what's my answer?
Radical 91 over 10.
Yeah.
Yes. Well done. Well done, guys. Well done.
We do that stuff on over there.
Can you?
Can you, Griff?
I can put one of those on the test for you.
Is that
Get it
Calc
right.
BC?
It's Calc AB, and they don't want it on their test.
What is it?
It's calc out.
I'm
Going
fine
back
with
to that
this.
same-
I need somebody.
Now let's start doing graphs. It's actually pretty easy though when you do it.
I understand how to do that. I just don't know how to do the graphs.
Next year.
For what's left, this is what the test says. Use your calculator to find radians to 3 decimal places and degrees to the nearest 10. All right? So, knowing that, what is this? In radians. Oh, it should be negative. I'm sorry, I forgot. It's negative 42. My fault.
Negative 2.291.
And radians?
Oh, wait, no. Negative 1.4, or 5.
Negative 1.5.
Why?
Yes.
I'm in radians.
1.54.
Yeah, 1.54.
I'm in radians.
7?
Is it second 10?
Yeah, if you,
Yeah, that was why. I didn't do second 10.
Negative.
Okay.
I didn't forget to do that.
You have to do second 10 if it says tan negative 1 or arc 10, right?
Yeah, yeah.
What is it in degrees?
Negative 88. Yeah. Does it matter?
Negative 88.636.
6.6.
Is that it?
Degrees.
Degrees. Because I will take off if that degree sign is not there.
It's completely wrong, or like
Just for you.
Just okay. I'll remember that.
Wait, it's just 0.6, right, for degrees?
Yes.
Perfect.
How do we do?
Give us the hard one.
Good.
Ready.
You're ready for the test?
Yes.
Easy one.
No, you're going to study?
Yes, I'm saying. I know how to do it.
I will study very little.
Let's study the back of my eye.
I just wish I
Everybody's
knew.
okay with this?
I will study them.
Can we do
Oh, wait,
another?
are we done?
A lot.
Can you show me another graph problem? I know the whole class already probably knows how to do it, but